On today's episode of 30 Days Challenge, I am going to show you the categorized distinction of altcoins according to risk level and market capitalization. So this video is supposed to serve a guide to you as for you to know where your risk appetite falls into. Now, a cryptocurrency can be categorized by market capitalization. And what is market capitalization? Market capitalization is gotten mathematically by multiplying the price per unit coin with the total circulating supply. Now, here is how coins are categorized by market cap. So, coins are categorized according to low caps, mid caps, and large caps. What is low cap? Low cap altcoins are altcoins with a market cap below 10 to $100 million. Now, this particular asset class is highly risky and highly volatile. $1,000 here can take you to $1 million, and $1,000 here you can wake up and it has gone for vanishing. So if you do not have risk appetite, please avoid this particular asset class. Now, the second is the mid-cap coins. The mid-cap coins, I have a good example of a mid-cap coin, because a mid-cap coin are altcoins with market caps of $100 million to $1 billion. An example is Moonwell with a market cap of $60 million. Now, large cap are coins with market cap of $1 billion and above. An example of a large cap is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now listen, because this is supposed to serve as how and what you invest into this market. If you have zero tolerance to risk, you are not willing to lose anything, please only play the large cap game. If you are the people who wake up wailing and crying because your $100 is now $20, please avoid any of these two asset classes and focus mainly on large caps, because large caps, you can never go wrong with them. You cannot see somebody who bought BTC 3 years ago or 5 years ago coming to lament that they lost money, or Ethereum. But these two, somebody can buy a coin like those who bought Lunar Classic. As at then, Lunar Classic was a mid cap, and all of a sudden $1,000 has gone to 0 point something dollars. So please, if you have zero tolerance for losses, play large caps. Now, if you have a medium risk appetite, that is, even if you lose 20% of your portfolio, it won't pain you that much. Please stick to mid caps, because mid caps, the probability of going to zero is not that much, it's not that big. So since you have a little appetite for risk, play mid cap game. That is investing only in tokens that have gotten to $100 million to $1 billion. I know, because I called Moonwell and I said it's $60 million, you'll be asking how come it came here. Please let it be known that Moonwell have touched $300 million market cap. So that is why you see it here. Now, if you have appetite for risk, you are willing to wake up either rich or poor, play the low cap game, because that is why you can actually get $1 million return on investment or even more. Me, this is what I play: rag or riches, because I am an African, and every typical African should develop the appetite for risk and play this game, because here you might be wrong 9 times, but the 10th time that you are right will eventually change your life financially and otherwise, and those generation that is coming after you. Now listen good. Now, if you are somebody who wants to combine all of these, both low cap, mid cap, and large cap, there is a standard formation or a standard format for you from me, Ozo Crypto. Now, look at how you are supposed to arrange your portfolio. If you have $1,000, for instance, you have $1,000, you want to invest into the market, please, first of all, take out 30% and put into mid cap. Now, because you're somebody who is looking for diversified income, that is, you do not want to go all here all on number one, which is low cap. So you want to just dilute it a bit so that the risk will not be that harsh on you. So please play 30% mid cap and 70% low caps. Here is guaranteed 2 to 20x. Now, if you put in 30% of $1,000, which is your capital, that is $300. $300 multiplied by 20. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, 1, 2, 3. That is $6,000 with your 1,000. And if you are lucky enough on your catches, you will make some profits here. But it is better to play it this way than to play it this way. But remember, always know your risk appetite, because it is your risk appetite that determines the kind of game you play. Please tell me if you have found this video helpful and how you are going to use the directives I have given in this video to tailor your portfolio for this coming bull run. Please do not forget to like this video and share so that as many crypto brothers and sisters as possible will get to see this. Peace and love.